I am at Planet Hollywood in Cancun. I am staying in room 22508. I am in a star class room. These are the bracelets, and they act as your room key. The right is the room, and to the left is the bathroom, which we'll start at here in just a second. On the floor, they have a pH and a kind of a neon purplish pink illuminating down, which is kind of cool. In the bathroom, love, love, love this tile. It has two sinks opposite of each other and plenty of storage on the left. And then in here is just the toilet. Back over here, we have the shower. And a great bench. Some storage over here. First closet. Extra bedding. Safe and drawers. The extra bedding, well, they do have the couch that turns into a bed, and there's additional bedding in the other one. I'll show you in just a second. We have TV. Trying to get the mini bar open. Let's check out what's in this closet. There's the extra bedding. And it does have a flank mirror on this one and in that other closet, but it's funny because it says, but first let me take a selfie. Storage over here, little place to sit, because we are still in a pandemic. They do not have the alcohol bottles out here. Over here, like I said, that turns into a bed. And they do have a touch screen control for the AC. They do have a fan. Go out here. We have a pretty good size balcony with a couple seats. Let's take a look at the view. There are, whoops, swim out rooms below me. There's a Guy's Burgers, a small water slide area, lazy river, which I am definitely hanging out in tomorrow. That is it. Planet Hollywood in Cancun.